In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to TickTick Premium. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to complete your purchase smoothly, whether you're paying monthly, annually, or redeeming a gift card. I'll also share a few quick tips along the way so you can avoid common hiccups and confirm everything went through correctly. Start by opening your browser and searching for TickTick. From the results, choose the official TickTick website so you land on the correct place. If you prefer, you can go straight to the web app, but using a search is a simple way to get there if you don't have the link handy. Once you're on the site, click Sign In. If you're already signed in, great, you can move on. If not, use your preferred login method to enter your account. After signing in, you'll be in the TickTick web app looking at your tasks and workspace. Next, look to the top right of the screen for your profile icon. Click it to open the account menu, then select Settings. This takes you to your account's configuration area where you can adjust preferences and, most importantly for today, manage your subscription. Inside Settings, find and click the Premium section. This is where TickTick displays its upgrade options and pricing. You'll see the available plans, and depending on your region, the currency and any applicable taxes may be shown. If something looks unfamiliar, it's typically just local pricing and tax calculations. To explore the monthly option, click the $3.99 per month plan. This shows you the monthly billing choice and is usually best if you want to try premium for a shorter period or prefer smaller recurring payments. You'll be able to confirm the total and see the billing cadence before you proceed. If you change your mind, you can switch to the annual view without losing your place. Now check out the yearly option by clicking the $35.99 per year plan. Annual plans often include a savings compared to paying month to month, so if you're confident you'll use premium throughout the year, this can be a cost-effective choice. Take a moment to confirm the amount, the billing period, and any regional taxes before continuing. Choose the plan that fits your needs. Both lead to the same premium features, just with different billing cycles. When you're ready to pay, you'll see secure payment options. If you choose Stripe, you'll enter your card details directly in the secure form. Stripe handles major cards and processes the payment safely. Double-check your card number, expiry, CVC, and billing address to avoid declines. Before you submit, review the summary so the plan and price match what you selected. Alternatively, you can pay with PayPal. Select PayPal, sign into your PayPal account, and confirm the authorization there. After approval, you'll be redirected back to TickTick to finalize the subscription. Just like with Stripe, make sure the order summary is correct before completing the process. If you have a gift card or a redemption code, look for the redemption code option in the same premium area. Click it to open the field. If you see a highlighted link prompting you to reveal or switch to the code entry area, click that highlight, then choose gift card. Paste or carefully type your code, making sure there are no extra spaces, and apply it. You should see a confirmation message or an updated status once the code is accepted. After payment or redemption, wait a moment for the upgrade to activate. You'll typically see your account status change to premium and may receive a confirmation email. If the features don't appear right away, refresh the page or sign out and back in. You can also revisit settings in the premium section to verify your renewal date, plan type, and billing method. From that same area, you can manage your plan in the future if you need to switch billing cycles or update payment details. And that's it. You've successfully navigated to TickTick, signed in, opened settings, chosen premium, selected a plan, paid with Stripe or PayPal, or redeemed a gift card. Enjoy the upgraded features and happy planning.